Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Today it's May 17, 2022. I want to welcome to you and come to our Revival San Francisco channel. And if you have time, you can go to our website. It's called revivalsf.com. We always advocate for people's basic need, basic rights. We encourage people to return to God. And we understand that this nation, America, it's based on a godly founding fathers guideline, which is from the Bible. Our nation, the Constitution was created by 56 people who are the founding fathers for United States, and they create the United States Constitution based on based on Bible value, biblical value. So today's topic, we talk about no to communism in San Francisco, California, or in the United States, because United States law is very unique. Since our committee, Revival San Francisco, is focused in San Francisco, so I wanted to update some of the situation that we face in San Francisco. As you understand from my YouTube channel, I do have this YouTube channel in here. It's under my name, Ellen Lee Zhou. Love God, love life, love family, and love America. It doesn't really matter where you are. If you live in America, that you are protected by the United States Constitution. And our Constitution provided us the basic foundations. Title VII, that we protected by our religious rights, which means you have your own religion and based on your desire. So Title VII, understand this: no vaccine, no jab, and no vaccine, you cannot eat indoor. No vaccine, you cannot go outside. That was the previous months that happened in San Francisco. But currently, we're still under the tyranny by the San Francisco evil leaders. I call them evil is because many of the city and county government employees, I understand that more than 2,000 of them, 2,000 government employees in San Francisco under Mayor Landon Breed and Board of Supervisors and different departments with human resources directors. They are part of the deep state, I believe. When I say that, it's because many of the people work in the government, even those who receive the vaccine because they have bills to pay, they have family obligations. We understand that the forcing a vaccine, and this vaccine, the COVID vaccine, is also called gene therapy. And another word, it's a bioweapon. A bioweapon means it's something is meant to not to be a benefit only, but also a potential harm, because we understand that this COVID-19, our survival rate is 99%. So I wanted to continue. Some time ago, I was asked by quite a number of people. So going back to violation, forcing any gene therapy, any vaccine, any injection to your body, it's a violation under Title VII, that is discrimination against your religion. And if you have a religion, you have the right to ask for accommodation, just like the ADA law. The ADA, when you go to a certain place, they don't have the path, the access for you to go in a store or go into a building. You have the right for accommodation. The same thing with a COVID-19 vaccine. And if you don't have a religion, you still are protected under civil right. You have the right to refuse any injection to violate your body. Another violation that they committed is about medical tyranny or medical freedom. You understand that even a person have cancer, that they're dying, okay? They're dying. If they don't want any treatment, they have the right to to choose the way that they wanted to die at a lengthy of their treatment. For example, if you receive this recommended treatment, you might live 1 year and more. And if you don't, you might die within a month or 3 months. But still, a person has preference. The same thing with a vaccine. This COVID-19 vaccine, it's a bioweapon. It's a gene therapy, which means then alternate your DNA. And I didn't say that, okay? I learned it from reports. So if you go to AmericanFrontlineDoctors.org, they have all, I shouldn't say all, okay, many of the legal information, the legal team. And within here, it tells you that they have many lawsuits that file about illegal OSHA mandate, which means your workplace cannot mandate a thing about any gene therapy or any injection, because mandate is not a law. Mandate is just like a suggestion. So as you can see, there's many lawsuits, and one of the lawsuits is San Francisco City and County. Many of the employees, public employees or public workers that form an alliance filed this lawsuit. This is one of the 5 lawsuits that I know. One of the 5 lawsuits that I know. This one was filed in October 21st, 2021. And I believe that this lawsuit has been amended and added more to it, because that was before then. And now we in May, today's May 17, 2020. Many of the religious exempt applicants has been either separate from their job or terminate from their job. Now the lawsuit is going forward for discrimination, religious discrimination, medical freedom discrimination. There will be a lot of damages to be claimed: jobs, health, emotional health, physical health. So I'm just showing you, like, so you can go check it out. America's FrontlineDoctors.org, and you will see that I'm just showing you one of the lawsuits. There's many lawsuits in here, as you can see. And another powerful doctor, Dr. Zinglenko, he explained from the point of view from a doctor and a researcher, and telling us what's wrong with this gene therapy. It is a bioweapon. So as you can see, and you can go to American Frontline Doctors, it has this letters in here, tells about, yes, our government are corrupt. Our governments, like federal government, state government, military government, city government, county government, and our government has conspired. How do they conspire? Conspire with big farmers, conflict of interest. Now they find out a lot of these leaders, government leaders or politicians, that they are corrupted with FDA or CDC, and how they get money back and how they benefit from the stock market, and things like that. And those are public information. Another website that you can go, it's law.com, and you can see it right here. And it has a lot of information. For example, you go to the link and you check out information from here. I believe it's Attorney Thomas. He was giving us a lot of information and still updating a lot of information in here. And when you go in here, and you will see that the whistleblower lawsuit, there's a lot of information in there, how they corrupt the system, how many people die, how many pregnant women die, how people like injury from this gene therapy. And as you can see, the big farmers and the big government, the people in charge, I'm talking about the leaders, and they find out there's a lot of conflict of interest. What it means, there's a lot of decision made on the top that is not legal in a sense. It's called conflict of interest in a short. So if you have time, you go to the website right here, runslaw.com, and in there, then you go there and they will give you the information about conflicts between government leaders and big farmers. and the three-letter companies, the WHO, the FDA, the CDC, and other informations. And also they have a big lawsuit. As you can see, it's an 80 pages lawsuit formed against so many corrupted politicians and governments. And as you can see in here, the reason I show it to you is because many people are blindsided or lied to from the mainstream media. The conservative try to share in Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and a lot of times that we've been censored. So I'm so glad that now we have a media, free media that is created by conservatives and is working. So the reason I'm doing this today is to update the people who may follow my information in Revival San Francisco. So to let you know, we have done some of the information in the past, like resist tyranny in here, to update that we are still fighting in San Francisco. Like I explained it in here, what we're going through in San Francisco is absolutely communism. It is non-American. So our topic is no to communism in San Francisco, no to communism in California, no to communism in the United States. You all know we have many states like, for example, Florida. Florida governor, they ban no mask mandate, no vaccine mandate. So you see the difference between California and Florida. One is love America, the other one is a traitor. It's a traitor of the people, traitor of the nation. It's nothing good. So anyway, I'm just updating you guys that we continue to fight this fight and stand up. And if you wanted to donate, let me see if I can find it. San Francisco fights. I can't find a website right now. Maybe next time. We do have a website that it's doing donation. Or you can go to American Frontline Doctor and donate it to a San Francisco lawsuit or any other lawsuit that you feel led to help. We have to stand together. If we lose the fight in San Francisco or we lose the fight in California, then it's going to be contagious across the nation. That's why we have to stay together. And I want to thank you again. And thank you so much for coming here to see Revival San Francisco. Love God, love life, love family, and love America. And the most important thing, we are living in a free nation, and freedom comes from God. Continue to pray for Revival America, Revival California, and Revival San Francisco. Thank you, and may God bless you. And if you want to do any volunteer with us, you can always contact us. My name is Ellen, and we do have a number, and you can call us and we'll go from there. We normally go out on weekends to do street outreach to the lost, like the homeless people, mentally ill, people on the street. We give them basic food and basic needs and pray for people, and hoping things will turn around. So thank you, and continue to pray. Thank you.